Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any exciting updates from me. As usual, we will start with your congratulations because you started and you took the first step into your self development and self personal growth. So, welcome to this journey of discovery. So, are you ready to embark on an incredible journey towards becoming an exceptional leader? Do you want to elevate your leadership skills and unlock your true potential? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should buy my course called Unlock Your Leadership Potential. So let's dive in. First, it's tailored for all levels of leadership. This course is designed to adapt to a wide range of leaders. Whether you are a new manager finding your path, an experienced leader aiming to sharpen your skills, or even an entrepreneur managing teams or clients, this program is just for you. It's a versatile, all encompassing guide to leadership excellence. Second reason, you will gain skills that will set you apart as a leader. And isn't just about giving orders, it's about so much more. In this course, you will master the art of motivating and leading teams to achieve shared goals. Plus, you will enhance essential skills such as clear communication, effective problem solving, and strategic decision making. These are the skills that will set you apart in the competitive business world. And the third reason is holistic approach to leadership. We don't just scratch the surface. We dive deep into the heart of what it means to be a successful leader. You will develop a holistic mindset that will set you apart from the other managers. We will explore various management styles and teach you how to adapt to different situations. And this is a crucial skill for any leader. Also, in this course, I've also tackled your upcoming challenges. This is your opportunity to benefit from the wisdom that I've gained through my experience. And you will learn not only from the successes, but also from the missteps that I have taken and that have shaped my journey. So, book the course now and you will get 3 coaching sessions with me for free. That's right, 3 coaching sessions for free that you will get once you start this course.